Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NCR Rizal Properties. Alright. We're here in Rancho Marikina. Okay, so meron tayong 2 parking space. O kung ang hinahanap nyo is a guaranteed flood-free na location, this one's for you. Alright? And kung gusto mo rin is yung gated and guarded well-guarded subdivision, ito po yun. So this is located in Rancho Marikina again. Right? Lot area natin dito is 126 square meter and the floor area is 204 square meter. Okay? So ito yung ground floor natin. So obviously, we have a powder room for visitors. And yung pinanggalingan ko nina is yung ating living and dining area. Okay? Ikot ako. Meron tayo ditong kitchen area. An elegant kitchen area. Connected po sa ating lanay area. And yung access going to the maid's quarter po. Alright? Malapit po ito sa Lilac Food Hubs. Okay? So ito yung private bathroom ng ating kasambahay. Then yung ating lanay area covered. Alright? Again, the kitchen area po. Okay, so proceed tayo sa ating second floor. So sa second floor, lahat ng bedrooms may private bathroom. Okay? Ang bilis po na pagtaas ng value dito. Promise. Yung pag-appreciate. Again, rancho to eh. Malapit kayo sa mga schools like Maris, St. Scholastica. Actually, lahat naman. Drugstore, malls, hospitals, church, which is St. Paul. Yan, magkita-kita tayo doon. So, ito yung first bedroom. Lahat naman, sinabi ko, may private bathroom. Okay? Ito yung shower area niya. Nakasarado yung pinto eh. Punta tayo sa ating second bedroom. Huli natin yung master's bedroom. Gaganda ng space ng bedrooms natin. Ito yung kanyang private bathroom. Ayan o, ganda ng space o. Lahat with built-in cabinets na rin. Right? Then, meron tayo ditong chandelier. Okay, so dito tayo sa master's bedroom. Siguro yung ilan sa inyo napanood na yung yung mga previous project nito ng seller. Magaling po talaga. Tsaka kung alam nyo rin na hindi po nagtatagal yung project nito. Talagang mabilis lang, right? So sa master's bedroom, ito, pares lang po. May private bathroom din. Actually, kahit saan pwedeng maging master's bedroom Pero syempre, ito yung magiging pinaka-master mo since nandito yung harapan. Kung ako tatanungin nyo, isa sa pinakang selling point nito is yung talagang ganda ng community. Promise, magandang community. Amenity area natin dito, meron tayong badminton, tennis, basketball court, of course, yung clubhouse po. and yung children's area or yung ating playground. Alright? So, that's all. If interested kayo, tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, kung ang gusto nyo is flood-free, very accessible, this is located in Rancho 1, Marikina. Alright? So, malapit to sa Lilac Food Hubs. Usually, kung Ateneo nag-aaral yung anak ninyo, ang daan natin is Loyola Grand Villas, kung yung dadaan ng A. Bonifacio Marikina and ng Katipunan Street, di ba? So, kapag Loyola Grand Villas, diretso na po Katipunan ang labas natin. Okay? So, Marcos Highway, napakabilis lang din. Siguro mga 5 minutes to 10 minutes, depende. Pero kung walang traffic, 2 minutes lang yan. Ganun po. So, yun. Message kayo if interested kayo, ha? Yan. Looking forward na ma-assist ko kayo dito sa property na to. Maganda po ito, promise. Alright? So, again, my name is Pino, PNC Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.